Start.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for taking time and visiting today's webinar. My name is Shobhita PK from second year English department. I hope you can see and hear as well.
Gets to
We all are here today,
our webinar.
making a very special day, celebrating the birth of a very significant person. Now, the person who is known as the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Now, I welcome Jyotika from third year, Department of English, for the welcome speech. Jyotika, please.
Teacher, chair it down.
Respected Bashir Sir, Head of English Department, and Chief Guest Irfan Sir, IQAC Coordinator of Regional College, and my beloved teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. As we all know, today we are conducting this webinar on the occasion for celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, and the duty assigned on me is to welcome who have gathered here. And the outset, I welcome Bashir Sir, Head of the Department, who render a fervent support and encourage in all endeavors. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
And
thank you.
We are also honored to have Irfan sir, who support us regardless of department in all programs. And this opportunity, I welcome you, sir, from the behalf of English department.
Thank you.
I also welcome other faculty members and all Englishians to this function. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyotika. It is indeed rare for someone to create as great an impact on the nation of Mahatma Gandhi did with India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has the honorific Mahatma added to his name as an Indian lawyer, politician, and anti-colonial nationalist. Furthermore, Gandhi came forward with a highly successful non-violence resistance against British rule. Quoting Gandhi's remarkable words, "Live if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as you were to live forever." Every day needs to be a new learning, progress, and grow. I hope by the end of this session, each of us have learned something new. On this special day, marking the birthday of our Babu, we have our students presenting their papers on this occasion. Let us start this event by welcoming our guest, our beloved Professor Irfan Sir, who is IQAC Coordinator, Internal Quality Assurance Cell Coordinator of our college, to inaugurate this event for us by sharing a few words with us. We are honored to have the opportunity to listen to what he has to say. Welcome, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A warm good morning to all of you. Respected English Department HOD Bashir sir, and my colleagues Nidil sir, Shadia miss, and my dear students. First of all, thank you all for inviting me to inaugurate this session. But still I am thinking, why you invited me? Because so many senior faculties and HODs are there in our college. And I am not a speaker also. Then why you preferred me? I didn't get it now. Anyway, I'm appreciating all of you for hosting this live session. Because in this period, this session is most relevant and important. Nowadays, some of the people are trying to kill Gandhi memories and trying to tarnish Gandhi. They're simply trying to kill the Gandhi memories and tarnish the Gandhis. Unfortunately, we are witnessing all of this. Kill Gandhi memories and tarnish the Gandhi. Unfortunately, we are the witnessing of all of this. And we are not even able to react against it also. We are simply watching all of this and we are thinking, it's not affect me, then why we want to react? All of us are thinking like that. It's not affecting me, then why we want to react that? But you have to understand one thing. The whole sea is not polluted. Only few drops of it are polluted. Okay, all sea is not polluted. only few drop of it are polluted. All peoples are not bad. If we pretend not to see all of this yet, all sea will be polluted. If we pretend to not see all of this, the whole sea will be polluted or all peoples will be bad. It will hunt you in the future. It will really hunt you in the future. Okay, then in that time, Gandhi said that the future depends on what we do in the present. Okay, what we do in the present, that will affect or depends on your future. Gandhi said in that time. Therefore, you do the best you can now, it will determine your future. Do the best you can now, that will determine your future. I'm connecting the Gandhi's word to the modern world. The Microsoft CEO, Bill Gates, said that if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your only mistake. നമ്മൾ ജനിക്കുന്നത് പാവപ്പെട്ടനായിട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ അത് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമല്ല, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ കുഴപ്പമല്ല. എന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ മരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു പാവപ്പെട്ടനായിട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ അത് നമ്മുടെ മാത്രം പ്രശ്നമാണ്. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Okay, in this time, you do best in your education. That's my message. In this time, you do best in your education. It will reflect in your future. Okay, I think only 5 minutes are that allowed me. Therefore, I am concluding my words. With your permission, I am inaugurating this session. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for those wonderful words.
Irfan sir, actually, sir, one privilege to Shobhita. Irfan sir was actually on leave today. Still, he took it. He took pleasure to attend our webinar. So we are very much honored and we are very much happy that you spend with us your precious moments. Thank you so much, sir. If you are busy, I think you might be leaving. That is why I am telling you this in advance. Thank you on behalf of the whole English department. So, but we like you to be present for the whole webinar. Okay. So, thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Shobhita, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Okay, it's now time for felicitation. For this, I would like to welcome Shabil from second year Department of English. Shabil, please.
Okay, Shabida. Hi, everybody. I am Mohammad Shabil from S3 BA English Department, and my duty to do a felicitation on this webinar. Okay, the webinar conducted by Regional College of English Department of Regional College Munnabar on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. A great step to enlighten you in this occasion. And I wish all the very best to this webinar and the students and the teachers who work behind this. And I think we can expect there is more such a programs like this in future. Okay, I conclude my words with a slogan: "Future depends on what you done in present." So do your best, as Irfan sir told. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shabil. Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Mahroof from third year English Department for the felicitation. Mahroof, please.
Mahroof is present or not? I don't know. Mahroof.
Mahroof.
I don't know. Mahroof has appeared here. I don't see him. Mahroof, are you present?
So I think he's not there.
Okay, then we can
So
continue.
okay, we thank you, Shabil, for your presentation. Now it's time for the most awaited event. It's time for the paper presentation. Before we start the paper presentation, let me explain how you can talk with us during the webinar. We will have a question and answer section. If you have any questions during the presentation, please make notes of it, and we will have short section at the end of each presentation and answer session to answer your questions. Now, we will turn the time over to candidates for their paper presentation. And our first presenter today is Musina Tasni from second year, Department of English. Musina, please.
Hello. കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes, കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Musina, you can speak.
A warm good morning to all. Today I got an opportunity to speak few words about our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. We are all lucky to see Bapu with our eyes, but what we have learned about Mahatma Gandhi really astonished us. Once the renowned scientist Albert Einstein said about Mahatma Gandhi that generation to come will scarce to believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. I can really relate to this because I really wonder how a man can be synonym of all great qualities like peace, love, non-violence, self-respect, determination, and truth. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His parents were really great because they inculcated the values of truth and love. They never giving up spirit in him. This proves that the role of parents and teachers in our life is very important because they give us new meanings and direction to our lives. Discipline and self-restraint played an important role in transforming Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi into Mahatma Gandhi. I strongly believe that if we adopt the qualities of discipline and self-restraint in our life, it will take us a great height. Today, when world environment contaminated with the malice of communalism, hatred, cultural clashes, terrorism, corruption, greed, gender discrimination, and violence, the lesson from the life of Gandhiji is very important. Gandhiji enlightened the whole world with the principles of truth, non-violence, non-stealing, fearlessness, simplicity, gender equality, and many more. He believed that a man is nothing but the product of his thoughts become what he thinks. He stressed on purity of thoughts. He stressed on implementation of his words into action. He is an open book. He never tried to hide anything from the people. His book, My Experiments with the Truth, reveals his life. If we understand these principles in a profound sense and try to inculcate them in our life, the world will be heaven. Let us take a pledge and come forward to celebrate this national festival in a true sense. Only delivering beautiful speeches, lighting up candles, and giving floral tributes would not help. If we want to make Bharat has Bapu drum, for it we have to start now. I would like to conclude my words with the famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Thanks one and all for giving me an opportunity to open my heart for this great science. Okay.
Thank you, Musina. Thank you for your wonderful presentation. Now it's time for ask questions to Musina. So guys, you can ask any questions to Musina if you have any doubts. You can ask in the chat box. Is there anyone? Guys, you can ask questions in the chat box. Oh, I thought there is no one. So move on to next presenter. Let's move on to our second candidate, Sahala from third year, English department. Sahala, please.
Okay, hello, good morning. I am Sola. Here I am going to discuss about the topic of Gandhi's non-violence movement on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, often considered a founder of the modern non-violence movement, he spread the concept of ahimsa through his movements and writings, which then inspired other non-violence activists. His life and messages are also inspired all of us. Gandhi had no weapon but non-violence. According to him, violence is a weapon of the weak and non-violence is the summit of bravery. Non-violence means personal practice of being harmless to oneself and others under every condition, but it doesn't just mean not doing violence. It's also a way of taking positive action to resist oppression or being about change. The aim of its conflict is to convert your opponent to win over their mind and heart, to persuade them that your point of view is right. Gandhiji believed that the essence of all religions are non-violence and truth. Gandhiji referred to three levels of non-violence. The highest was non-violence of the brave, and the second kind of non-violence was adopted as a measure of expediency in some spheres of life. The passive non-violence of the helpless. According to him, it is the weakness rather than moral conviction which rules out the use of violence. The third kind of non-violence is a passive non-violence of the coward and the effeminate. According to Gandhiji, cowardice and ahimsa do not go together anymore than water and fire. The non-violence of the coward is really violence in suspension or inactive violence. He argued, better to be violent if there is violence in our breast rather than to put on the cloak of non-violence to cover impotence. He maintained that being a soul force non-violence is capable of being practiced equally by all. I am going to conclude my presentation with a quote of Gandhi. Ahimsa is not merely a negative state of harmlessness, but it is a state of love, of doing good even to the world. So thank you for
Thank you, Sahala. Thank you for your wonderful presentation. So you can ask questions in chat box if you have any questions. Is there anyone? Is there any questions?
If not able to chat, you can also unmute and speak. And if you have any relevant questions on the paper presentation. Otherwise, okay. I think Rimshana is posing some question. No. Okay. If no question, we can proceed, Shobhita. In the absence of question, we can proceed.
Okay, sir. Now let's move on to our third candidate, Amani from second year, Department of English. Amani, please.
Hello, sir. Clear undo?
Oh, clear
Yes.
on, clear on.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Yes, the great words of the great freedom fighter, the political icon, the one who used the nonviolence as a tool to win over hearts and minds, has forever left its mark on the world. Our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. There is no words to explain who and what was he, because his name itself says that. Mahatma, the great soul, and no more words can explain it further. Gandhi was the greatest pacifist who lived in the turbulent life and who used the weapons of ahimsa and satyagraha as an alternative to the blood-shedding ideologies of war and violence. And he was the right voice and conscience in our turbulent life. He was always against the caste discrimination, colonization, and all type of inequalities and injustices. And he always fought in the way of peace to rid the society from the social evils like untouchability, caste system, poverty, etc. And his beliefs that no religion should have a monopoly on the truth. And he taught us to fight against all the discriminations, inequalities, and injustices in the way of peace and truth. Gandhi called for all Indians to unite as one, irrespective of the division of religion, caste, and creed, in the country's fight for independence. He advocated non-cooperation with British rule, which included a boycott of British goods in favor of Indian-made products. And he was made the leader of the Indian National Congress, the party that was fighting for the independence. And in 1913, Gandhi took a 400 kilometers march to the seashore called Dundee, for British government imposed a tax on the salt. And then he made salt with his own hands to show his protest against the evil tanks. And he invoked a movement in 1942 called the Quit India Movement. And he was imprisoned for 2 years and then released before the end of the war in 1944. By the year of 1947, British government has enough troubles and they leave India only after dividing it into two countries, India and Pakistan. India got independence, but India was not a peaceful process. It led to violent clashes between Hindus and Muslims. Gandhi repeatedly went to the hunger strikes to restore the peace among the country. On 13 January 1948, as Gandhi completed a 2 days hunger strike in New Delhi, he was shot dead by a Hindu nationalist called Nathuram Vinayak Godse. Gandhi established a principle called Gandhism, and the two pillars of the Gandhism are truth and non-violence. He was the light and good spirit of our country, and the light has gone now. Now, if we look around us, we can see a world without mercy, truth, love. Only have violence, bloodshed, and people are brutalized and hate all over the world. And people are forgetting the way that he taught us, the way of peace and love. In this current world, people are fighting on the basis of religion, caste, and creed, and have everywhere non-violence. Even though we got independence in 1947 by the struggle of the great freedom fighters, but we are living in such a situation that there is no value for rights, justice, equality, freedom. Even the basic human rights are denied, and the people are unsafe even within our own country. In this situation, we can really know the value of his words and deeds that he did for us, for the better generation, and his name and words will certainly remain immortal for all the generations. Let us hope for a better future by not waiting for another Gandhi to come, but by holding and following his words and deeds. And I would like to conclude my words by saying the great words of the great soul. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Amani. Thank you for your wonderful paper presentation. Okay, so now guys, you can ask questions to Amani. So Amani shall try to answer your questions. Is there anyone?
We are running short of time, Shobhita. You can give an opportunity for Mahroof.
Yeah, sir. So next, I call Mahroof for the felicitation. Mahroof, please.
Okay.
Good morning, all of you.
Morning.
It's my privilege to speak here before this gathering to this participant of this webinar. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay him a tribute and remember of his great works. For the country's independence are also celebrated as International Day of Nonviolence, Peace, Involvement and Leadership in India Freedom Struggle. Cannot be forgotten by the generation to come. Our webinar not enough to speak about Gandhi values and dates. All of you knows current situation. We cannot meet personality to conduct a program like before, but our department conduct all programs. I welcome all the participants and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. It was, I think we are running short of time, and you can, Shobita, you can invite for a vote of thanks. And before that, you can give a few minutes for Nithil sir for talking for his message. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Sir.
Hello. Am I allowed?
Yeah, sir. Shobita.
Yes.
Yes. So, first of all, deliberately postponed Gandhi Jayanti wishes to all. Deliberately postponed Gandhi Jayanti wishes to all. It must be in the history of regional college that the student fraternity of English department to conduct a program like this. First of all, let me congratulate Shobita, the moderator of this session, this webinar, and all others involved, because you guys made it possible. You have done it A to Z. And I would like to give a special thanks to our Irfan sir as well. So thank you very much for coming and just sharing your words, sharing piece of wisdom that you used to share in other meetings that we see. So, talking about the Gandhian values and its relevance at the moment, we can very much relate the relevance or the Gandhian values to this era. See, when you talk to a person in his mother tongue, it goes to his heart. When you talk to a person in a language that he has learned, it goes to his head. Let me come again. When you talk to a person in the mother tongue, it goes to his heart. And when you talk to a person in the language that he has learned, it goes to his head. So let me choose our mother tongue. നമുക്ക് ഗാന്ധിയൻ വാല്യൂ ആയിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് നമുക്ക് ജീവിതത്തിൽ അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന വാല്യൂകളുണ്ട്, ഒരുപാട് വാല്യൂസ്. അതിൻ്റെ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ, ഗാന്ധിയൻ വാല്യൂസിൻ്റെ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വെരി വൈഡ് ആണ്. ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി അഡോപ്റ്റഡ് ബൈ എനി വൺ ഇൻ എനി ഏരിയ. പക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ, നമ്മുടെ ഡെയിലി ലൈഫിൽ നമുക്ക് അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ചില കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. സിൻസിയറിറ്റി, പങ്ക്ച്വാലിറ്റി, നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ചില പോളിസികൾ. ഇഫ് ഐ എം നോട്ട് ടേക്കിംഗ് യുവർ ടൈം, ശോഭിത, സോ പങ്ക്ച്വാലിറ്റി, ഹോണസ്റ്റി, ഇതുപോലെ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ നമ്മുടെ ഡെയിലി ലൈഫിൽ നമുക്ക് അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ശരിക്ക് ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ക്വാളിറ്റികൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ലഹരി പോലെ ആവണം. ലഹരി പോലെ ആവണം എന്നല്ല, ലഹരിയാണ് ശരിക്കും. മദ്യം കഴിക്കുന്ന ആളുകൾ, സിഗരറ്റ് വലിക്കുന്ന ആളുകൾ, കഞ്ചാവ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകൾ, മറ്റ് ഡ്രഗ്സുകൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകൾ, അതൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനുള്ള കാരണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ലഹരി അതുകൊണ്ട് കിട്ടുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. കള്ളു കുടിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമല്ല, ബീഡി വലിച്ചാലല്ല, കഞ്ചാവ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചാലോ മറ്റു ഡ്രഗ്സുകൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചാലോ മാത്രമല്ല, ചില വാല്യൂസ് നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ കാത്തു സൂക്ഷിക്കുമ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് വല്ലാത്ത ഒരു ലഹരി കിട്ടും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മളോട് നമ്മുടെ സുഹൃത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു രഹസ്യം, നമ്മുടെ ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത സുഹൃത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള രഹസ്യം, അത് പുറത്ത് പറയാൻ എല്ലാ സാഹചര്യങ്ങളും ഉണ്ടായിട്ട് പോലും ആ സാഹചര്യങ്ങൾക്കൊന്നും വഴിപ്പെടാതെ നമ്മൾ ആ രഹസ്യം നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിൽ സൂക്ഷിച്ചാൽ പിന്നെ അതിനെപ്പറ്റി ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു സുഖമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ അത്രയും ആ ഒരു രഹസ്യം പറയാൻ എല്ലാ കാരണങ്ങളും ഉണ്ടായിട്ട് പോലും ഞാനത് മറ്റാരോടും പറഞ്ഞില്ലല്ലോ എന്ന് പിന്നീട് ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നമ്മളോട് തന്നെ തോന്നുന്ന ഒരു ബഹുമാനമുണ്ട്. ആ ലഹരി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് കള്ള് കുടിച്ചാൽ കിട്ടില്ല, ബീഡി വലിച്ചാൽ കിട്ടില്ല, മറ്റേത് ലഹരി പദാർത്ഥങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചാലും കിട്ടില്ല. സോ ചില വാല്യൂസ് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഇത്തരത്തില് നമ്മുടെ ഡെയിലി ലൈഫിൽ കാത്തു സൂക്ഷിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ചില വാല്യൂസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഗാന്ധി പറഞ്ഞു തന്ന, ഗാന്ധി നമ്മുടെ മുമ്പിലേക്ക് വിഭാവനം ചെയ്ത ഒരുപാട് വാല്യൂസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള വാല്യൂസ് എല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിലേക്ക് പകർത്താൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നല്ല മനുഷ്യരെന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നല്ലവൻ, നല്ലവൾ എന്നുള്ള പേര് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്വന്തമായിരിക്കും. സോ താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച് ശോഭിത, and have a nice day and happy Gandhi Jayanti belated even though. Thank you.
Okay, now vote of thanks. ഹലോ, നമ്മുടെ സമയം ഏകദേശം തീരാറായി എന്നതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എനിക്ക് രണ്ടു വാക്ക് പറയണമൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. എന്തായാലും വോട്ട് ഓഫ് താങ്ക്സിന് ശേഷം ഞാൻ പറയാം. വോട്ട് ഓഫ് താങ്ക്സ് നടക്കട്ടെ, അതിന് ശേഷം ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കാം.
I would like to invite Najia for vote of thanks. Najia, please.
Hello, കേൾക്കാവോ?
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Good morning. I'm Salma Najia. October 2nd is very special to every Indian, as we know that the birthday of our beloved Gandhi. He always dreamt of an India as women are treated as equal and justice is rewarded to all. One of his famous quotations says that when a law is unjust, it's only a right to disobey. On looking or on reading its deepest sense, we all know that what's going on around us. And further, his words are being listened or are being taught properly. So it's very important to acknowledge what he taught us and what he dreamt and why he sacrificed his life. So as we are giving an importance to what Gandhi taught us, who Gandhi was and what he really did. I believe that it is such a wonderful thing, and I appreciate everyone behind this program and everyone who participate in this. And I thank you, all of you, for participating in such a program and sharing your knowledge. I thank our dearest HOD, Kashir sir, for conducting or for taking an effort to conduct such a program. Even though we are having many barriers to conduct programs, we still manage to do so. And special thanks to our chief guest, Irfan sir, for his valuable time. I thank Mohsina Tasni, Sahla and Amani for presenting the topics. I hope this program was helpful to you in one way or other, and hope you guys are gain some knowledge from the presentation you heard. And let's wait for an India that women are treated as equal and justice rewarded to all. I once again thank one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Najia.